In this video we continue the training course for local government's innovative social services and supportive measures for well-aging. We continue to talk about silver economy provisions. The silver economy represents the economic impact and opportunities created by the increasing influence of older adults, seniors, on various industries and markets. Many industries and sectors that cater to the needs and preferences of older people. These industries will grow significantly as the population ages and can offer a wide range of products, services and jobs for seniors. Healthcare and medical services. This includes medical facilities, hospitals, specialized clinics, home healthcare services, telemedicine, medical devices and medicines to meet the specific health needs of older people. As the population ages, the need for healthcare services and facilities for the care of the elderly increases. This creates jobs for health professionals, nurses, carers, therapists and other related professions. Housing and real estate for older people. This sector includes retirement communities, nursing homes, independent living communities, housing for the elderly, and affordable housing adaptation services. As the silver economy expands, there is a need for age-friendly services and retail facilities. This includes businesses that cater to the needs of older people, such as home adaptation services, accessible transport, technology solutions tailored to seniors, and specialized retail stores offering products for seniors. Financial services. Companies offering pension planning, pension management, insurance products, for example life insurance, long-term care insurance, and financial advice for seniors. Surveys show that older people find it difficult to pay various bills. It is possible that an old person not only struggles to pay the bills but also faces financial difficulties due to a significant reduction in resources. So local authorities need to find ways to contribute their financial resources, including organizations, government programs and independent living assistance. Leisure and tourism. Travel agencies and tour operators offering tailor-made travel packages, leisure activities and entertainment venues to suit the interests of older people. The growing importance of the older people's market is driven not only by demographic changes, and the global trend towards an aging population, but also by changes in the behavior of increasingly active older people. Understanding the travel behavior of older people is crucial for the tourism industry. Technology and digital solutions. Information and communication technologies can enable healthy and active aging by facilitating access to information, health and healthcare, socio-economic participation and other factors that promote full engagement and participation in aging. Companies developing age-friendly technologies, wearable devices, smart home solutions and digital applications to improve the lives of older people and support independent living. Unfortunately, in many countries, mainly in rural areas, older people still do not have access to the internet. Although many older people make frequent use of information and communication technologies, many still do not have access, and the pace of digital innovation, while understanding its benefits, has not yet matched their needs. Personal care, home care, support services and wellness. Companies offering home care services, personal assistance and companionship to help older people live locally and maintain independence. Services such as beauty and grooming salons, fitness centers, wellness programs and nutritional services for the health and well-being of older people. Many older people face life changes and health problems that need to be adapted to, and it should be noted that they are characterized by great resilience and wisdom. Local organizations should be responsible for providing support. Transport. Age-friendly transport services, adapted vehicles and specialized mobility solutions to meet the transport needs of older people. When older people stop driving, access to reliable transport services becomes essential to help them maintain their independence. Public transport is a good option for many independent, healthy older people. Public transport provides a fixed route service, so older people need to be able to get to a bus stop or railway station. However, many rural areas do not have reliable public transport services, so older people living in rural areas are likely to be further away from essential services such as medical care and grocery stores. Adapting local transport and creating the necessary travel services for older people should be a concern for local authorities. Retail and consumer goods. Retail and consumer goods for seniors play a key role in meeting the specific needs and preferences. As people age, their needs and abilities change, and products and services need to be tailored accordingly to improve their quality of life and overall well-being. Some examples of retail and consumer products for seniors in key areas: canes, walkers, roller skates and scooters, adjustable beds, lift chairs, hearing aids, blood pressure monitors and glucose monitors, clothes that are easy to put on and take off, with features such as magnetic closures, elasticated waistbands and larger buttons, to help mobility-restricted seniors to dress comfortably, and a range of assistive devices. Social and recreational activities. Social and recreational activities are essential for improving the cognitive and emotional well-being of older people. Inactivity can lead to physical ailments and damage mental health in seniors. Lack of contact with other people can also lead to feelings of loneliness and isolation. This is why care workers for the elderly must prioritize leisure activities. Organizations and groups that offer social, educational and recreational activities for seniors encourage social interaction and community involvement. Education and learning. The Active Aging Framework promotes the optimization of health, participation and security, the three key determinants of later quality of life. Lifelong learning in later life deserves more attention in current active aging policies. The World Health Organization's Active Aging Program recognizes that lifelong learning, together with formal education and literacy, is an important factor in facilitating the participation, health and security of older people. Local authorities should provide lifelong learning opportunities, seniors education programs and seminars to help seniors develop personally and intellectually. The silver economy represents the economic impact and opportunities created by the increasing influence of older adults, seniors, on various industries and markets. As the world's population ages, especially in developed countries, the number of older people is increasing significantly, and this demographic change has several implications for the labor market and employment opportunities, which can be positive, complex, and even negative. Let's look at some of the main implications. Labor market participation. As the number of older people increases, the overall level of labor market participation may fall. Older people may decide to retire or shorten their working lives, which may reduce the available labor force. Increased demand for certain industries. Demand for certain industries will increase. As the aging population grows, the demand for goods and services for older people will increase in industries such as healthcare, health, leisure, housing and financial services, which will create more jobs in these sectors. Healthcare growth. Despite the fact that an aging population may be active, it must be recognized that this is still associated with an increased demand for healthcare services. These demographic changes are likely to increase the demand for health professionals, including doctors, nurses, assistants and other health-related workers. In the following video, we will continue to talk about silver economy provisions.